Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and I am super excited today. I just hit, ow. Okay, so we have another lock. I'm not telling you the code. So, I'm not showing you either. There you go. Why? Why am I even smiling? I mean, it's nice to smile. Oh, and here's the Blacklock, guys. The black keys. This I learned from a video. I forgot what it's named and what channel it's by, but so yeah, this can be opened with any universal key. This button right here, see that button? You hold that down and then this has to be, it's hard to get these things. There you go. So you hold it down, and then that's how I set my passcode. You hold it down and then put your passcode in. Yes. And I just like this thing. It looks cool. Anyway, I'd also like to mention some of my classmates that actually watch my videos, and they keep asking me, why do you have so many locks? Because they watched the live stream video, my lock collection. Yeah, so the keys in the Blacklock, I know you probably want to learn more about this thing, but the keys in the Blacklock, they don't fit in very well. Yes, and my classmates that are Maddie and Autumn in my class, they asked me, where's the Blacklock? Where's the Blacklock? And yeah, here's the Blacklock, guys. For anybody, not just them. But so here's you guys can learn more about this. I have no idea what the link is. I'm gonna try to figure it out, so don't worry. But I'm still not telling you the code. So there you go. Yeah. Any airplane member has special tools that said on the back of this lock that they can open it. They can open it with any universal key. They have special tools that said. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.